Hello my dear students, I am Jagriti here and today we are going to start a new chapter, that is life processes. So are you ready for this? Okay, so in this chapter we will know brief about life process. Okay, so this chapter is very interesting chapter, and in this chapter you will know about how you can survive. Okay, so now let me go for next slide. You can see here a question is given, that is, what are the life processes? For understanding this, firstly we have to know the definition of this life processes. So what is written here? You can see all processes required to sustain and maintain life in a living organism are known as life processes. Okay, so you can say the life processes are all the needed process that is required to survive a living organism. It means all the processes that is needed to survive an organism is life processes. Okay, so what exactly these life processes? Now we will go for this. Okay, so here you can see the examples. These are the life processes that are needed to survive a living organism. Here there are 4 types of life processes, that is nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. You know, other than that too also, you have to learn this also, you have to understand this also, but it is in separate chapter. What is that? That is control and coordination and excretion, excretion is already given here, and reproduction. It means how many total types of life processes you have to study in your class? Total 6 types. Here 4 is given. 4 you have to cover in this chapter, life processes, but the 2 life processes you have to cover in separate chapters. Okay, so nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion, control and coordination and reproduction. Okay, so now I'm going for next slide. You can see the next slide. Here very interesting pictures are given. So what are the pictures here? You can see these are the nutrition picture in which a person is eating food, and this is the digestion picture in which a person is digesting food. When you take food, you will digest. This process is known as digestion. After digestion, this food will utilize to produce energy, and this is the respiration exactly. So respiration carry out with the help of oxygen. So the oxygen will come through breathing process, right? You know about breathing? Okay, so last process you can see here, transportation and reproduction, and one you can't see here, I will show this. This is excretion.